Hey, it's Ian, and today I have an awesome product that allows you to grill straight from your microwave. This is the Microwave Crisping Grill by Westinghouse. Now you could cook so many different things with this, like steak, burgers, chicken, fish, veggies, grilled cheese, and so much more. It will taste exactly like it's from the grill, but it's actually straight from the microwave. Now, if you're someone who doesn't have a lot of time, you're absolutely going to love this. You can get delicious, tasty, and savory foods in minutes. Now, I love how easy this is to use. All I have to do is place my food on the crisper tray, put the top on, latch it, and then throw it in the microwave. However, I do recommend putting this on a plate, especially if you're cooking up something greasy. Now, the best part is not only will your food taste delicious, but you'll also get those highly sought after grill marks, which adds to the authenticity. Now, another thing that I really love about this is how compact it is. I've been taking this to work and cooking up my lunches, which is helping me save a ton of money during the week. Today, instead of making a boring old sandwich, I am elevating my cuisine and turning it into a panini by putting it in this crisper grill. Let's see how it turns out. Now, this completely elevated my sandwich. It's nice and hot and super crispy. The veggies are perfectly cooked. It's so much better than what it would have been. You'll also appreciate that cleanup is a cinch. All you have to do is rinse it and throw it in the dishwasher. If you're looking to save time, money, and eat healthier, this is the product for you. Now, we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on, so head on over there and check it out today.